In this video, I'm showing you how to get fuller brows with just $4 and a product that you buy with the $4. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm coming at you live from a car. I'm running late this week, but I still wanted to get out a quick tip for you guys. I was working with a makeup artist actually a few months ago, and she showed me this technique for how she creates fuller looking brows, and I have been obsessed with it ever since. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm a licensed esthetician and makeup artist based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying makeup and giving all of my information to you. So if you enjoy this video, definitely don't forget to subscribe so we can hang out more. Alright guys, let's get into it. This is the craziest $4 brow hack that you've ever seen in your life. This you can get from Amazon. It is the color and fragrance free Van der Hagen Gentle Glycerin Soap, and I'm gonna show you how to use it in your brows. It's nuts. I had seen soap being used for brows like in an avant-garde fashion way because you can really use it to move the brow in whatever direction you want, but I've actually found that it's amazing for everyday use. So you can activate it a few different ways. You can use just regular water, but using a setting spray really helps as well. So this is the Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray directly onto it, just like 2 sprays will do the trick, and then grab any kind of little brow spoolie and just pick up some of the product. I need to figure out some way to depot this because it is ridiculous carrying this much soap around, but when I depot it, I'll definitely post a picture on my Instagram. So then I like take off any of the excess just kind of on my hand because I'll go back and use this in a minute. But now check this out guys, this is so crazy. So I'm just gonna, let me move back my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and run it through my brows. And I think what it does is it just kind of separates it from the skin and really gives a lot of volume. You can then go in and fill it in like sparse areas with a pencil or powder, like whatever your preference. But like even just the soap by itself, it gives so much volume. It's crazy. It's so easy to just make them look a little bit fuller, and then if you were doing like an avant-garde shoot, you could apply more soap and really kind of press the brow hairs in to like get that really feathered look. But for every day, just run a little bit of it through it and it'll hold all day. Already, do you see like the volume difference between both brows? So next what I'm gonna go ahead and do is fill in my brows like I would usually do. And if you watched my Mamma Mia video, you know that I fell madly in love with this Makeup Revolution brow pomade. I'm like super obsessed with it. Depending on how full you want your brows to be or how much shape you're creating, you can use all different types of brushes. Here are 3 of like some of my favorite little brow brushes. There's like, this one's really great for like creating soft individual hairs. This one's really great because it's super dense, so creating like a really nice line. And this one's kind of like an in-between. This is the one that I use most often just because it's really easy. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this brow pomade. We'll just pop it on the back of my hand here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of that product and fill in kind of where I have some sparse areas. I like using this product because it's really dry. It's really cool. I've been playing with this technique on a lot of different clients for the past couple months now, and it really does work for every brow shape. You have to kind of play with the ratio to figure out like how much soap and how much activator is best. But if the texture ever gets like a little funky fresh, just add a little bit of setting spray onto your spoolie and then gently kind of wipe away any of the excess and it'll all come together. Isn't that crazy? Like the volume that is achieved on this brow. The first time that I did it, I was like, what? They don't even look like my brows. Alright, I'm just gonna pop it on the other brow and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, that is it for me for this week. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my $4 brow hack, and let me know in the comment sections below what videos you'd like to see next. As always, more tips and tricks on Instagram and Facebook at Makeup by Shannon Marie. Hope you're having a good week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.